In this video, I'm going to explain you the basics of bond economics. So, of course, we have uh, read this statement, which basically says that let's suppose the YPM or the required return of bond is more than, uh, sorry for that. So let's bring this down here. Okay, all right. Okay. So if the YPM required return of bond is more than its coupon rate, a bond sells at discount, which is basically, let's suppose the par value of par value or the face value of bond is 100, and with a coupon of let's say 5% and let's say YTM of probably 7%, then bond will sell at discount. So let's suppose in the market it will actually sell at, let's assume, 90. I don't know. Right? Now let's try to understand why this happens, right? So the simple logic is very simple. Suppose, let's suppose the required data YTM of bond is 7%. So you and I, we require a bond to give return of let's say 7%. And there is a company, let's call it XYZ Corporation, XYZ Corp, which has issued its bond, okay, which are paying 5% coupon annually. This is what we require 7%, and this is what the XYZ Corp is paying. Now, what will happen? So let's suppose, let's assume that there is Mr. X who is holding XYZ Corp's bond, right? Now let's suppose in the market employee return increases to 7%. What will happen to the XYZ Corp's bond? Its demand will fall. So they will say, hey, look, uh, the required return is increased to 7%, but XYZ Corp's bond is just giving us 5%. So why? So actually, we don't want these bonds. Its demand will fall because nobody wants that bond now. And let's assume supply is constant, right? The number of bonds issued by the XYZ Corp, they are not changing, right? They are same, but demand has fallen. If the demand decreases and supply increases, so let's draw a simple diagram. If, in basic economics, we have said that demand, a graph, flows from, let's say, up to down, like this, and supply goes from down to bottom like this, right? And let's suppose demand, and let's suppose this is price, and let's suppose demand falls. So this is the new price. So its price falls. That implies what? Bonds are now selling at discount. Discount, right? So if item is greater than coupon, as we can see, bonds are now selling at discount. Which is just uh, we, we just explained you why this happens through the this mechanism. So the same reverse is also true. If IPM is, it's less than coupon, then bond sells at a premium. In that case, you can even go to the same logic, simple, right? If IPO is, let's suppose, of bond is 5%, and the some corporations, then let's say 7%. If I'm holding that corporation's bond, what will the investor say? Hey, look, expiring for bond is 10%. The required is just 5%. Why not just get that bond? If demand will increase, supply is constant. And if demand increases and supply is constant, the price will increase. And your bond are not selling at a premium. It's rather simple logic through the lens of economics. Now, in the next video, we will basically look at the YTM. We will study on its increases or decreases, but now we'll dissect it from where it is coming and how. Okay, thank you.